Hey everyone, it's John Farrell from WellDatabase. Yeah, let's just jump right in and check it out. Here to dive into some additional mapping functionality that we have. It seems like we keep adding more to the maps, but it's awesome, so why not? Today we're going to be talking about what we call drawing layers, which are super powerful and pretty wide open to do just a ton of things. So if we look up here, I've got ourselves set up a little bit. We've got the backend area, and I've turned on an EUR map, which if you have any questions how to do, you can check out one of our videos. We go over that. But now I'm going to do, again, focus on a drawing layer. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to add a new drawing layer. Now, the first thing you can give it a name, and I'm just going to say, you know, my working backend layer. And of course, you got line colors, fill colors, size, opacities, and things like that. But when I hit load, it doesn't do anything for you. It just is just here. That's because the drawing layer is a pretty wide open thing that we'll start adding to. I'm going to move it up higher than the EUR map so that we'll be able to see things as we start tweaking them and start working through them. But once you have a drawing layer in place, you can open it up and you can start to see what you can do. We can draw shapes, import files, add well-known text, those kind of things. So I have the EUR map here, so I want to draw a shape here. This is super beneficial if you've got like an odd area. So this EUR map has got kind of these hot spots that, you know, are kind of hard to quantify into a single filter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a shape here around what I'm going to consider, this is fairly random, mind you, but I'm drawing this odd shape, and those are wells that keep popping up because I have that turned on, so forgive me. But I open that up and you can see it drops a shape on there, and it's a shape on there, so that's cool. I can come in and I can add another one. I can keep drawing new shapes. I can import a file, so if I want to come in here and I've got this Bakken thickness file, if I drop that in, now we can see this thickness. It actually loaded in as two different layers. If I want to come in and add one more, say I want to draw and maybe do like a circle. I want to do just a, you know, a radius around this. You can see it created these in three different shapes here. So it's pretty wide open, whether you need to upload a shape file or work with well-known text. If you know what that is, then you know kind of what that works, otherwise ignore it. I can clear these, but one of the coolest things I can do here is I can export this now. And so I'll call this, you know, just my drawing layer, that's fine. I'm gonna export out as a shape file. Now, and I'm gonna come in here, once it's a shape file, then I'm gonna hide what I have now, and I'm gonna reload that shape file in here. And we can see when I do, I just called it drawing layer, that's helpful. Hit load. And then I need to move it on top of the EUR map. Now we've got those three different shapes are here. And so it's kind of neat. I can click on any one of these, and here I don't have much to work with. You see the properties that it brought in. That was because I uploaded that isopatch file here, so it retained those properties. And so each of these, I can export them individually. I can create AOIs from them individually. If I come into our new area AOI update search situation here, if I come in and import from a file and choose my drawing layer, then you'll see here that it is broken into three different shapes. I can select which shapes that I want to bring in. I can bring in all three of these. I can confirm this, and I get a multi-shaped AOI that's going to whittle it down to all the wells within those views. And so if you think about it, like, it's super wide open what you can do with this. You can draw anything you want. You can draw well-known text in. You can combine multiple shape files into one. You can create AOIs from them all. It's just such a wide open tool that the uses are almost endless. So anyway, it's just another one of those features that we've brought into WellDatabase to try to make it where you can get more done all within WellDatabase. And hopefully this will save you some time, maybe help facilitate some of your processes, and keep you coming back. So if you have any questions, reach out. We'll be happy to help, and keep staying tuned for some more features we're rolling through. Thanks again for watching.